Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Techly Things. Now today I'll be taking off the cover of the door of a Honda CRZ or CRZ. So if you're new to the program, please ensure to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, click the notification bell. So I'm starting off by taking the screws out of this is like the holder area. And most of the screws in the car, they are Phillips screws, or the cross ones. So you want to ensure you get that out first. So, and there are parts of the car that goes with clips, a few screws and mostly clips. So I got out that one. So I'm going for the one in the door handle. So I want to move this part here, preferably with a small screwdriver, flathead, because the screws are hidden. And it's out. So you get your Phillips screwdriver again, turn anti-clockwise. You get that out, put it one side. You want to always make sure your screws, bolts and nuts are kept one place securely, because they are small and you don't want them to be lost. So once the screws are out, you lift this part up, and this is the time when you need a flat mouth screwdriver to pry it up. So a little bit of force, just a small amount. And it's up there, and you unplug the socket that controls the electronic part of the car. Once you unplug it, you make sure you put it one side. You put it aside and get it out of the way. So there we go. Put it aside there. Just make sure that it's locked. And then there's one more part, flat mount again. You use a flat mount to pry things open. So there we go. So all the screws are out, and you want to have a small, very small crowbar. When I bought it the first time, I was wondering what the hell will I be using it for, and here it comes in handy. You want to use that because you don't want to put extra force on the door and break any of the clips, because they're really difficult to come by. And the next thing is that you might not have good distance to get to the hardware or the parts store, so you want to make sure it's done properly. And there it is, just a little force to get it out. Oh, there's one more thing I need to remove, and that's that thing at the... There we go. No, it's not out yet. Come again. There we go. Now once that is off, the door is basically up. So you want to make sure you pull one more plug that's down there, And there it is. There it is. So it's out, and voila. All you can do is do what you want to do on the car, on the door. And I thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy the program and useful information. So from Techly Things, this is Duke Rick, and I'm out.